want to solve a system of equations by graphing, like the last video that I did. In this video, the first equation is in the proper form, slope-intercept, to graph, but the second one is not. So let's go ahead and start off by graphing the first. My m is the number in front of x, 2 over 1, and my b is negative 2. So I'm going to go to the origin, and I'm going to drop down 2. The negative 2 is the y-intercept. And then I'm going to rise 2 and run 1 right, rise 2, run 1 right, rise 2, run 1 right, and then very carefully line up those corners and create my line. All right, for the second one, I'm going to have to make it look like y equals mx plus b before I can do so. So the negative x is on the wrong side, so I will add x to both sides of the equation so that the x is now on the right side. I have 2y equals, put the x in front of the 4 so that it looks in this form. And then to get rid of the 2, because we want y to have a 1 in front of it, divide every term by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So I have y now equals, you can take x over 2 and turn it into 1/2 x, because that's what that means. And then negative 4 divided by 2 is negative 2. All right, now he is ready to graph. So I'm going to go to the negative 2, which is the same point, which is the intersection, by the way. I'm going to rise 1 and run 2 to the right, rise 1, run 2 to the right, rise 1, run 2 to the right, and then line those up in the corners very carefully. And I see that they intersect at the point 0, negative 2. So my solution is 0, negative 2. Now, if I want to plug that back in to make sure that, hey, I am correct, let's test it into negative 2. Does it equal 2 times 0 minus 2? Well, 2 times 0 is 0. Negative 2 does equal negative 2, so it worked in the first one. Now let's try the second one. And it doesn't matter if I plug it here or here, but I'm going to put the negative and then the 0 down, plus 2 times negative 2. I replace the negative 2 into the y's position. Does it equal negative 4? Well, 0 doesn't have a sign actually, but I wrote it down because it was in the formula. I have negative 4 equals negative 4, so it worked there too. So this is my solution by graphing.